Okay, course 2, this is lesson 94, probability of dependent events. What? I'm just going to show you the examples and then that will help you understand it because the events are going to be dependent on the one before it. So just hang on and you'll get it. By the word, secret word, marbles, because you might lose your marbles. I'm so funny. All right, here's the first example in the book. There are 2 red marbles, 3 white marbles, and 4 blue marbles. They're all in a bag. If one marble is drawn and not replaced, and a second marble is drawn, what is the probability that both marbles will be red? Well, look, I drew you a little picture. Okay, so here's my bag of marbles. I got 2 red, I got 3 white, I got 4 blue. So 2, 3, 4, total is 9, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah. So to draw one red, I'm going to have a 2 out of 9 chance, right? 2 out of 9. And the book wants you to put P for event. What we're trying to get red is 2 out of 9. Now, I'm not putting that marble back. So, I've taken that marble out. So the second draw, how many do I have total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, only 8. And I only have 1 red marble left. So what's my probability? Probability of red is 1 out of 8. See, it's no longer out of 9 because I did not put that marble back. So far that makes sense, right? Yes, Mrs. Van Zalen, it does. All right, so now what do we do to find the probability of both marbles being red? Easy peasy. We are just going to multiply those 2 fractions that we got, those 2 probabilities. So 2 over 9 times 1 over 8, look, I can cross cancel. So I have 1 out of 36, or the probability of red and red is 1 out of 36. See? That's not hard. Here's another example. They love to use playing cards because everyone knows what a deck is. So we got 2 cards drawn from a regular shuffled deck. What is the probability of drawing 2 aces? Well, first of all, I have to know how many aces are in a deck of cards. 4. All right, so my first draw, probability of an ace, would be 4 out of 52, but I can reduce that fraction to 1 out of 13. Now, I'm not putting that ace back. So now how many aces are there? Well, there's only 3. And how many cards are there? There's no longer 52, there's 51. So the second draw, the probability of the ace would be 3 out of 51, but that can be reduced to 1 out of 17. So what's the probability of both draws being an ace? Probability ace is 1 over 13 times 1 over 17, and it's 1 over 221. You have 1 chance in 221 draws that both cards will be an ace. All right, so not too bad. Practice set. I'm going to do B and then you're going to do A. All right, so there are 2 cards are drawn. What's the probability that both cards will be diamonds? Well, first of all, I need to know how many cards are in a suit. We have 2 through 10 plus Jack, Queen, King, and Ace. So what do we have? We have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 cards in a suit. So 13 cards out of 52, right? So 13 out of 52. Can 13 out of 52 be reduced? I bet it can. I'm cheating. Shh, don't tell. I'm cheating. Where is it? B. 13. Oh, yes, it can. 1 out of 4. I know. I shouldn't cheat, but there you go. All right, now I'm not putting that diamond back, and I'm trying to get another diamond. So now there's only going to be what? There's going to be 12 diamonds, and there's only going to be what? 51 cards, because I didn't put that card back. So now I got 12 out of 51, and guess that what? That can be reduced. I know it's weird, huh? That can be reduced to 4 over 17. Now, what's the probability that I'm going to draw? Probability of diamond and diamond? I'm going to take 1/4 times 4 over 17. Oh, I'm so lucky that that worked out good. So I can cross cancel. And I have a 1 in 17 chance of both cards being diamonds. See? You can do it. It's not hard. Of course, I forgot to write down your assignment, so it's going to take me a minute. You're going to do practice set A, and then I have it marked in the book, so let me tell you. Oh my goodness, Mrs. Van Zalen. All right, so you're going to do 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 5, sorry, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you can do 10, 12, and 14. 10, 12, 14. And 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 15 through 19. Finally getting smart here. And then I'm going to do 21, 22, and 23. 21, 22, 23. And 25, 26, 27, 22. Okay, 25 through 30. All right. And number 14 is tricky, so how about you have just these first up to 12? If you could have those finished before class, I would be a happy, happy girl. And then we'll work on the rest during class. Okay? All right, I will see you in class. Have a good night.